The manufacturing industry has undergone significant revolutions. Now, the industry is entering the exciting Industry 4.0. It is a transition powered by data and automation technology that could transform every step of the manufacturing process, from the supply chain and enterprise to the shop floor and end users. The goal is to drive productivity and innovation and empower businesses in an integrated, data-driven manufacturing environment.
Asia is now occupying or has in fact taken more than half of the global share of the economy. And with that, global companies have started to base not just manufacturing but even local product development and design within Asia in key locations including Singapore. We do see that the need to move up the value chain for manufacturing, the adoption of Industry 4.0 concepts is going to be a lot more pervasive. For the Singapore government, the manufacturing domain is one in which we are very heavily committed in, having committed close to about 3.3 billion Singapore dollars, which is roughly about 2 billion euros, to fund public-private partnership R&D activities between the state through agencies such as A*STAR and the private sector in Singapore.
The A*STAR Model Factory is an immersive learning environment which allows companies to experience and experiment with advanced manufacturing technologies before adoption on the factory floors. This is a platform for co-creation and co-development between private sector companies and public sector researchers. The Manufacturing Control Tower is the nerve center of Simtek's Model Factory. The MCT provides visibility across the entire manufacturing pipeline as data is automatically collected, integrated, and displayed through smart IoT technologies. It creates a connected, data-driven manufacturing environment that empowers faster problem diagnosis and informed decision-making. Industry 4.0 also goes beyond using data to optimize operating conditions. The Model Factory explores the creation of intelligent networks along the manufacturing chain with new technologies like industrial IoT, robotics, and augmented reality. These smart networks transform manufacturing processes like production and assembly, repair and maintenance, as well as help with effective training. For companies looking at new opportunities, new areas, and new locations in the world, Singapore is a good location to enter Asia. We are here to provide the public sector support for companies to embark on Industry 4.0. The future of manufacturing is here.